Envision running a business hustling every day, and then you hit a snag. You might be looking to open a business bank account or trying to file your business taxes, but you can't. Why? Because you lack an employer identification number, or EIN. This is a common issue that numerous owners encounter. An EIN isn't a luxury for businesses, it's a necessity. It's akin to your business's social security number, a unique identifier that delineates your personal and business affairs. So how do you acquire an EIN? The process might appear complicated, but it's actually quite simple, especially if you opt for online registration. First things first, gather all the necessary information. Ensure you have your legal business name, the physical address of your business, and the names and social security numbers of the owners. The Internal Revenue Service, or IRS, needs this information to process your application. Now, here's the beauty of online EIN registration. Visit irs.gov and find the EIN application form, also known as Form SS4. This form is straightforward to fill out online. When filling out the form, take your time to avoid mistakes. Ensure all the necessary details are included and double-check your information before submitting it. Once you've filled out and submitted the form online, guess what? You receive your EIN immediately. There's no need to wait for weeks. Now, isn't that convenient and time-saving? It's worth mentioning that you can also complete the Form SS4 by mail or fax, but these methods will require more time for the IRS to process your application. Don't put off starting the EIN registration process. It's not just about abiding by the law, but also about reaping the benefits that come with an EIN. With an EIN, you can open a business bank account, apply for business licenses, and file your business taxes. It's your passport operating a seamless, legitimate business. A small step like registering for an EIN can spark significant business growth. So, don't delay. Begin your online EIN registration process today. Your business will thank you. Remember, the road to success might be uphill, but the view from the top is worth it. And that wraps it up for now. Stay connected for more insightful tips and tricks to simplify your business journey. But remember, the first crucial step is online registration. It's quick, it's easy, and it opens up a world of opportunities for your business. So why wait? Take that step today and set your business on the path to success. Remember, success is not just a destination, it's a journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We're dedicated to providing more business tips and tricks, simplifying your entrepreneurial journey. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release a new video. So, let's continue this journey to success together. Don't miss out on our next video. Your business will thank you.